want to invest in an asset to earn regular income and walk the path to financial freedom? Are you someone who seeks income generating assets for steady income in the future? Well, you have to invest regularly to build an income producing asset. Hello and welcome. I am Prarthana from Clear, India's largest tax and financial services platform. At Clear, we have assisted 6 million tax filers so far. Do subscribe to our channel to support us and get to know more about the best investment options to reach to your financial goals. Income generating assets produce consistent recurring streams of cash flows over a long period of time. In simple terms, income generating assets help you earn money when you sleep. Real estate is an excellent asset for earning passive income. You can buy and rent out a house or apartment to earn regular rental income. You can invest in bank fixed deposits, a low risk option to earn interest income. However, you will incur an early withdrawal penalty if you take out the money before the end of the term. If you are an aggressive investor, you can invest in stocks of companies that pay dividends regularly to their shareholders. If you find picking stocks difficult, invest in dividend yield funds, a type of equity mutual fund. Dividend yield funds invest around 75% to 80% of their assets in stocks of companies that pay high, consistent dividends, helping you earn regular income. The table is showing unique income generating assets.
Real estate investment trusts or REITs pool investors' money and invest it in revenue generating commercial properties such as hotels, offices, malls, and warehouses. It distributes the rental income after deducting expenses such as management fees, maintenance charges, etc. to investors as dividends. Peer-to-peer or P2P lending connects the individuals who need loans with people willing to lend through a marketplace. You can be a lender on P2P platforms and earn higher returns than bank FDs and other investment options. However, do check out the risks of doing so. You can purchase managed farmlands such as tea and coffee estate, fruit orchards, etc. from a developer which is managed by a professional farm manager. The financials are decided after harvesting the crops with the income shared between you and the farm manager.
Income generating assets help you earn passive income which ensures financial stability. You can retire early and spend your life doing what you want to do without the money worries. Passive income helps you manage a financial emergency without borrowing money from family and friends. Well, you do not have to live from paycheck to paycheck and life becomes stress-free. You get the extra income to reach vital financial goals such as early retirement, money for children's higher education, and marriage faster. Passive income allows you to live and work wherever you want. As you earn enough income to fund your lifestyle, you can travel the world. You can build wealth quickly with passive income and leave behind a legacy for your children to get a firm footing in life. The table is showing the difference between active and passive income. I hope by now you have understood what income generating assets are and why you need them. Comment clear if you are clear or drop your questions if any. Don't you want to know how to create an asset based income? You need to steadily earn money from a job or business to purchase income generating assets. Invest a part of your income in suitable investments to accumulate money to buy assets based on your risk tolerance. Here is a table showing tips to build income generating assets. Which ones are you following already? Let us know in the comment section below.
For example, aggressive investors can invest in equity funds through the systematic investment plan. It is a facility offered by asset management companies where you invest a fixed amount of money regularly in mutual funds to accumulate a massive corpus over time. You can use the sizable amount of money accumulated to buy a house and give it on rent to earn a regular rental income. You can also invest in dividend yield funds through SIPs or build a stock portfolio in dividend paying stocks through the stock SIPs to get regular dividend income. Suppose you get a windfall such as a considerable amount of money through an inheritance. You can use the money to buy a plot of land on the outskirts of a major city. You must do your due diligence before buying the plot and have a time horizon of around 5 or more years to see value from your investment.
The common person must follow the 3 steps of saving, investing, and locking funds for the long term to build income generating assets. Saving money is the first step in building income generating assets. Save at least 20% of your total monthly income by reducing needless spending. You must invest the money you have saved regularly to build an income generating asset. Do not forget the emergency fund with at least 6 to 12 months of living expenses to manage financial emergencies. Get debt free as soon as possible. Otherwise, you will never be able to purchase income generating assets. The final step is locking the funds. The money locked in fixed deposits, mutual fund, land, etc. has one objective. It should be redeemed to buy an income generating asset to earn a steady income. Let us now discuss how a common man generates income generating asset based income.
Tip number 1: spend less and track your spending and eliminate unnecessary expenses. Tip number 2: earn more, upskill and focus on getting a higher paying job. Tip number 3: start a side business. Convert hobbies into side business to earn more income. And lastly, invest wisely. Active investing to build wealth steadily over time.
You must choose the right investments based on your risk appetite to accumulate money over time and buy an asset that generates income. You must earn money today to create multiple streams of income so that you consistently have a source of income. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any queries related to investments and taxes, please comment them below as we will address them as soon as possible. Stay tuned for more updates and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more finance related content. Take care and goodbye.